Hello everyone, welcome back to TRX Car Reviews. Oh wow, it's nice to be back here. I haven't done a video in this location in a while. But only yesterday we came back from a 17-day European trip by car. Yep, that was a long way. So while we were going, we visited two major car manufacturers' museums. The BMW Museum in Munich and the Mercedes Museum in Stuttgart. And while we were there, we picked up some gifts, and I'm going to unbox them today. First of all, let's start with the smallest ones first. So, because we only got one thing from BMW, let's start with that. We've got our BMW bag, and out pops this. The Meister Design BMW R1200 RT. This is the ultimate cruiser motorbike from BMW. It looks really nice. So let's start unboxing. And a sneak peek, we've got so many cool things coming up. Oh wow, it was just that simple. Open the box, we have our BMW R1200 RT, movable steering wheel. That's actually really handy. Yeah, this looks really nice. I believe this is 1:18 scale, so 18 times smaller than the real one. Let's put that over there. And now let's start with the Mercedes things. This is the Mercedes 230 SL. Now, this looks really nice. I love this China blue. I mean, I remember the name from the G-Wagon, but wow. I believe this is 1:43 scale. Nothing to unbox here, so let's just wheel that over there. And just realised it's put today, so that's quite interesting. Next up, a very iconic car indeed. This is the Mercedes 300 SL Gullwing. Doors go up, if I can do it. There you go. Nothing to unbox there. Let's put it with the 230 SL. Now, we start with the big stuff. Before we get onto that, Mercedes was very kind to us. They gave us 3 Mercedes-Benz lanyards. That's quite interesting. And now we start with the 1:24 scale cars. First up, this. And this is Mercedes-Benz G-Wagon. It's not the new one or the recently facelifted one. This is the previous generation one. This is the VA version. And let's open it up. So, I'm going to open through the side here. That's very annoying. Let's try other side. One problem with these packaging is some of it is infinitely impossible to open up. Like, one bit of packaging is just in the way. And let's just... There we go. And this, see if the box can slide over there. We have... Alright, that's very good, because that's screwed. That's basically it. Doesn't matter, we can put that over there. I think that looks really nice. Next up is a special one indeed. This is the 220, so this is the car before the S-Class. It's in the same packaging. It's a 1:24 scale. I'd say this is in the original German police livery. So I think it's really nice to have, because I don't remember what British cars looked like in the 1950s to 60s. So it's quite cool to see that people are still remembering what the Germans look like. Slide it out of the box. It's the same thing. This is really nice. It's glued there. We can put that over there with the G-Wagon. And now, the 1 to 18 cars. This one is of my favourite Mercedes. This is very controversial for this to be my favourite Mercedes, but it's the GLS. Ever since I was 6 years old and I knew about the GLS, I've always wanted to have one. So, when I got the chance to get a 1 to 18 scale in centre light grey, I jumped at the opportunity. So, this is actually from here, so let's open it up. That's a big one. Okay, that is very good packaging. Well done, Mercedes. Just to let you know, this is made by Mercedes themselves, I believe. Oh my gosh, I am speechless. Look at this. No way. Are you serious? They give gloves? I'm saving them for later. Thank you very much, Mercedes. This is so satisfying. Let's just open this up. It's a big piece of tape. Alright. We just twirl this around. I really appreciate the amount of protection Mercedes does to their model cars, because I wouldn't want this getting absolutely wrecked during, transportation. But wow, sellotape everywhere. Now, off comes styrofoam, and here comes our GLS. Okay, this is the ultimate package right here. Screwdriver and gloves. How cool is that? This is probably going to take ages. Let's look at the details, because oh my gosh, this is very detailed. And let's just say I've seen a whole lot of super detailed model cars for a long time. If you want to see a few of my model car reviews, which are ultra realistic and 1 to 18, just like this GLS, I'll put 3 links at the end of the video. So when it gets to the end, those 3 videos will pop up. Wow, I'm literally speechless. I've got my dream car right here. It came with gloves and its own little screwdriver. That is so cool. But now, let's talk about the most important thing, the experience. When I went to the Mercedes Museum, you're instantly greeted with so many nice employees, and it just is so easy to know where you're going. When I went to the BMW Museum, it was just when you got in, you don't know where to start, which is a bit annoying. But overall, both of them were really interesting. There were so many cool cars, so many concept cars, so many rare cars, which you probably never see on the streets driving. So I'm really grateful I got to go there. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.